Living with diabetes is a numbers game. You're constantly chasing your glucose numbers, dosing, monitoring, and for years, all we had was this. But at best, a glucometer gives you a snapshot of your glucose, a number at one point in time, and you have no idea where that number's headed, up or down. A CGM is more like a story. It stands for continuous glucose monitoring, and the emphasis is on continuous. A small sensor measures glucose levels just underneath the skin every 5 minutes, and the transmitter sends your data wirelessly to a receiver or a compatible smart device, so you always know your glucose number without pricking your finger. But more importantly, you know if your glucose is headed up or down, and how fast. Instead of a snapshot, you get a full story.
The Dexcom G6 is great for anyone with type 1 or type 2 diabetes, ages 2 years and older, on a pump or taking insulin shots. Dexcom CGM use can help you make better diabetes treatment decisions and has been proven to help lower A1C.
With Dexcom, it's given me a peace of mind in that I have the information now, and it allows me to identify the trends with my numbers. And once you identify the trends, you can control the trends.